Oh, hey, girl.
Hey. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? I've missed you so much.
I've missed you too.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here.
Yes.
But geez, did you bring enough stuff?
Well, just the essentials.
What are the essentials?
Well, we have rosé all day and glasses, wine opener, of course a mask, hand sanitizer, sanitizing wipes, bleach pen, scrunchies, deodorant, Vogue magazine, Advil, hot sauce, sunglasses, nail filer, highlighter, open sesame, wallet, receipt, phone charger, water, mouthwash, dry shampoo, 38 cents, and lipstick.
That's cool, but why is your lipstick vibrating?
That's not lipstick. It's Pure Romance's newest essential item, Incognito. This sleek and powerful bullet hides in plain sight, but will have all your friends buzzing. With 3 speeds and 10 pulsing patterns, it will treat all of your erogenous zones. Pack this sexy secret in your purse for an unforgettable experience every single time.